First things first, let's get the car off the ground. Remove the bolts in a star pattern and safely remove the wheel from the hub. We start by removing the bolts attached to the caliper. He moves the caliper out of the way to get access to and remove the old brake pads. Also unplug the brake pad sensor if the car has one. Remove the bolts on the back of the hub holding the caliper mounting bracket. Remove the bolt that secures the brake disc to the hub. And give it a decent tap to get the disc loose if needed. Before installing the new rotor, clean the hub with a wire brush to remove any rust, which will help prevent lateral runout, which may cause your brakes to shake or vibrate when in use. Wipe away any loose debris. Time for the new rotors. Benny will be installing DBA's Street Series T2 rotor. Use a light solvent to wipe away any packaging residue. Be careful not to apply any solvents to the painted areas. Place the rotor on the hub and line it up with the bolt holes. Tighten your locking bolt in place.